Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to upgrade gear in Whiteout Survival. One of the easiest ways to do this is to go over to where you have your heroes at the bottom of your screen, tap on them, and you can see some heroes here. And by the way, do let us know which heroes you find to be most fascinating in Whiteout Survival. However, in our case we have about 4 heroes right here. We can tap on the second one and you can see this hero, and at the bottom you can see upgrade. We need to tap on upgrade and you can see the details of that upgrade. And by tapping more upgrades, you're going to see how your hero is actually upgrading. You can go to the next one, and this is Molly. You can tap on upgrade to upgrade Molly, and you're going to see briefly what she's been upgraded to. You can continuously tap them, and then if you'd like to obtain more, you can come over here or use these to upgrade Molly. Then you can cancel, tap on upgrade again, and she'll be upgraded some more. Go to your next hero and do the same thing. You have upgrade here, tap on upgrade, and Chloris will be upgraded. Use your hero's XP, and then tap on upgrade again, and she'll be upgraded some more. So this is what you'll need to do if you'd like to upgrade your heroes here on Whiteout Survival. We have some heroes yet to be unlocked, and you can see some are currently 7 over 10, 4 over 10, as we're going through our adventure in order to get them on our team. Which heroes do you find most fascinating? Do let us know in the comments section below, and if you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.